Hello everyone, welcome to Aspire Academy. Now we are going to deal with phylum Arthropoda. We know Arthropoda phylum is the largest phylum because it consists of lots of the organism. Okay, so this is the 8th lecture on the topic animal kingdom. Okay, now we'll proceed phylum Arthropoda. Okay, so arthropodas are what? Mainly jitne insects and all, ठीक है? Those who are having jointed feet, all the organism, they belongs to arthropoda. Now we can say arthropods are the animal with jointed feet or appendages. Okay. So jointed feet and appendages ये characteristic features है arthropoda का. It is the largest phylum which consists of lots of, we can say largest number of animal. ठीक है, largest number of animal and the largest phylum of the animal kingdom. This is arthropoda. Okay. So butterfly, either it can be spider, okay, millipedes, crab, all belongs to this arthropoda phylum. Okay. Now we will see the general characteristics about arthropods. Now, what is the habitat? Where are they found? So we can simply say they are found in various habitat. So that is cosmopolitan type of the habitat and occurring in all type of habitat. It can occur in various type of habitat like land, sea water also they can be found. Okay, in the fresh water also they can be found. And what about the body form? How does it look like? And how their bodies are being divided? Okay, so you can simply see one of the grasshopper. Okay, so you can see easily आप identify कर सकते हो the head region, then the thorax part, and the last portion, that is abdomen. Okay, so head, thorax, and abdomen, these are the three major divisions of the body forms. So the body is externally segmented. External segment जो है that is easily visible. Head part आपको clearly समझ में आएगा, yeah, that this part is the head region. Thorax part and the abdomen. So they consist of head, thorax, and abdomen as the body form, and they are externally segmented. Okay. So this thing basic चीज है about the symmetry. ठीक है. Through which plane we can cut them. So when we are talking about the symmetry, so we can say symmetry में क्या होता है? Left and right side both should be equal. So arthropods we know they have bilateral symmetry. Okay. जैसे कि आपने अगर butterfly if you take, okay, cockroach, grasshopper, so you will see both the part left and the right side include the equal part. Okay, so they are having bilateral symmetry. Okay, now about the body plan. Tube within a tube. Okay, this is present. Tube within a tube, that is the main body plan. Now what about the organization? Cellular hai, tissue hai, what? So organ system level of organization is present in arthropods. Okay, organ system, that means various systems has been properly developed. Okay, again you can see head part easily distinguishable from the thorax region and the abdomen part. Four wings are also present, hind wings. Okay, mouth region is there, antenna hai, eye hai. So these are the basic body parts which is present in the arthropods. Now the germ layer. They are having three different germ layer, that is ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. So arthropods are triploblast. They are the triploblastic organism. Okay. So about the cavity, कैसा cavity होता है? True coelom is present. ठीक है. True coelom of schizoshiel type occur in arthropods. Okay. So body wall कैसा है? Body wall consists of a thick non living, that is chitin. Chitin का बना होता है. Chitinous cuticle we can say. Okay. ये भी बहुत important है. Thick non-living chitinous cuticle which forms the exoskeleton, and that forms the exoskeleton and a single layer of epidermis. Okay, this thing we have already seen in cockroach. ठीक है, cockroach के ऊपर आप देखोगे जो brownish color का एक layer दिखता है, that is chitin, made up of chitin and acting as an exoskeleton. Okay, it acts as an exoskeleton. Okay, Now what about cephalization and appendages? हेड रीजन प्रेजेंट है, ठीक है. सो हाई ग्रेड ऑफ सेफेलाइजेशन अकर्स इन आर्थ्रोपोड्स, ठीक है. सेफेलिक पार्ट प्रॉपरली डेवलप्ड है, हेड रीजन, दैट मींस इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ ब्रेन. सो द बॉडी, अपेंडेजेस में आ गया क्या, द बॉडी कंसिस्ट ऑफ हेड, थोरैक्स, एब्डोमेन. दे हैव जॉइंटेड अपेंडेजेस. ओके, जॉइंटेड अपेंडेजेस यू कैन सी, दिस इज अ डायग्राम ऑफ अ प्रॉन, ठीक है. प्रॉन का स्ट्रक्चर है जिसमें आप देख रहे हो द अपेंडेजेस आर जॉइंटेड, ठीक है. वेरियस जॉइंट्स कैन बी इजीली सीन. ओके, सो जॉइंटेड अपेंडेजेस जो है कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है फीचर आर्थ्रोपोड्स का. स्केलेटन कैसा है, द बॉडी ऑफ द आर्थ्रोपोड्स आर कवर्ड विद काइटिनस एक्सोस्केलेटन, ठीक है, काइटिन का. प्रॉन में भी आप देख रहे हो दिस पार्ट, दिस रीजन, थोरैक्स पार्ट में जो आप देख रहे हो कैरापेज, ठीक है. तो ये भी काइटिन का बना है, that is acting as a exoskeleton, and even this part, ये सारे रीजन के ऊपर जो आप देखोगे हल्का सा टफ कवरिंग है, ठीक है, वो काइटिन का बना हुआ है. नाउ डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. Okay, so the digestive tract is complete. How can we say it is complete? So you can see the whole digestive region consists of mouth, then the esophagus part is there, ठीक है, rectum, anus, foregut, midgut and hindgut. This part easily distinguishable है, ठीक है. So we can simply say digestive system is complete in arthropods, and alimentary canal has 3 parts. From mouth to anus, that region which is known as alimentary canal, it consists of the 3 parts, that is foregut, that part is stomatium, ठीक है, midgut, mesenteron, hindgut part, that is known as proctodium. Okay, so these are the 3 important regions of the digestive system, or we can say the part of the alimentary canal. Now, the respiratory system, and what does it include? What are the organs which act as a includingly it function in the respiratory system? So the respiratory organ includes gills. Either arthropods, they have the gills, book lungs, okay, flap like structure is there, or book gills and book lungs, or the tracheal system. Okay, as we know, the insects, they breathe through spiracles, okay, or they are having the tracheal system. Okay, so book lungs, book gills, these are also present in various of the various forms of the arthropods. Okay, now about the circulatory system. किस तरह का circulatory system होता है? Either open or closed. So it is an open type. ठीक है, जो blood vascular system है, that is of open type and passes into the open space or sinus, ठीक है, around the tissues. That means the blood is passing to the tissues region, और वहां पे कोई आप देखोगे there is no vessels and all, directly the tissues bath in the blood. Okay, so we can say they are having open type of the blood vascular system, and the heart is dorsal. Heart कहाँ present है? Dorsal region में present होता है. Okay. Now excretory system. For excretion, the arthropods, they have malphagian tubules, or we can also say green glands. So excretion take place through green glands or malphagian tubules. Okay, and what are the excretory product in arthropods? Ammonia भी हो सकता है, urea in aquatic form. Okay, aquatic arthropods, they have the urea as an excretory product, and even uric acid in the terrestrial form. And the terrestrial arthropods, they are having uric acid. ठीक है, यहाँ पे uric acid होता है. Aquatic form, they are having urea and ammonia. Okay, now about the sensory system, whether they can sense or not. So we can say it is having a well developed sensory system. Sensory organs can be antenna. Okay, antenna जो कि sensory organs का role play कर रहा है. Eyes are also, and we know the butterfly, ठीक है, they are also having antenna. Eyes होता है, but कैसा eye? Compound भी हो सकता है, simple eye भी हो सकते हैं. Okay, either compound eye or simple eye, both are working as a sensory organ. Statocyst or balancing organ, so these all are present as a sensory system. Okay, so this is the basic thing. ठीक है, बेसिक जो जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है सेंसरी सिस्टम्स में भी आप देख सकते हो, आईज, एंटीना, दे आर वर्किंग. नाउ अबाउट द एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम. नाउ द एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम, So the endocrine system is also present. So arthropods, they particularly when we are talking about the endocrine system, so they include insects. Okay, so insect for communication they use this pheromones. And what are these pheromones? These pheromones are the chemicals which are released in the environment. Okay, so for communication, these pheromones are used. Okay, by the insects, and ये pheromones क्या है? These are the end product of the endocrine system. And some pheromones acts as a sex attractant. Later, that means the pheromones helps the male to locate the females far away from them. So the females insect, those who are very far away, so they can be attracted by the males by the this pheromones. Okay, so that means endocrine systems are also present. Now nervous system. Okay, so it consists of, as you can see, one of the arthropods. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ventral nerve cord is also there. Brain is there. Brain है, ठीक है. Ventral nerve cord. Nerve cord is present from on the ventral side, not on the dorsal, because dorsal side में क्या है, heart होता है. Okay, so ventral side there is nerve cord and segmented ganglia. You can say the ganglia is present, but it is segmented. Okay, at the different segment, external segments already arthropods में visible होते हैं, but the segment वाला part है वहाँ पे ganglia is present. Okay, and nerve cord, ventral nerve brain is also developed. So it consists of a nerve ring and a solid double ventral nerve cord. Okay, double ventral nerve cord with ganglia. Okay, what about the reproduction? The sexes are separate. Arthropods, these are the organisms, they have separate male and the female. Gonads have duct. Okay, gonads have ducts. Sexual reproduction is lacking in this arthropods. Most arthropods are oviparous. ठीक है, egg producing होते हैं, oviparous है. Few are viviparous also. So we can say the arthropods, they are both mostly oviparous, viviparous they are. Okay. Now about the fertilization and the development. How does the fertilization take place? The fertilization is internal. Usually it is internal fertilization. Okay. So development may be direct or indirect. ठीक है, डायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट भी होता है, इनडायरेक्ट भी होता है. इनडायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट में आप देख सकते हो मेटामॉर्फोसिस व्हिच इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर grasshopper में, it is just C. So indirect development include metamorphosis. So we know the grasshopper do not develop directly. ठीक है, so उनमें metamorphosis होता है. First thing you can see, just a grasshopper is there. ठीक है, adult grasshopper है. Adult grasshopper is laying egg. Okay, it is just laying egg. Eggs are being hatched and changes to nymph. तो पहला क्या है, egg. ठीक है, egg. Second one is nymph. Okay. Now the third you can see, first molding हुआ. ठीक है, पहली बार जब mold किया. Okay, so little bit more you can see the structure में development दिख रहा है. फिर third stage of nymph is there. This is the second stage nymph. ठीक है, this is the second nymph. And now the fourth stage nymph is much more developed, and finally fifth stage nymph, and then it is molded to adult. And so this molding इसी को बोलते हैं metamorphosis in the structure. तो ये indirect development है. Okay, so it can be either direct or indirect development, both. Now about the unique features of the arthropods, jointed appendages. Okay, jointed appendages modified for varieties of the functions. Okay, tough jointed exoskeleton भी है, ठीक है, chitinous plate is also there. Okay, then the trachea for respiration in majority of the cases. Spiracle cell, ठीक है, and it is attached to the tracheal system. Now compound eye in most of the form. Compound eyes भी arthropods में होते हैं. Malpighian tubules for excretion. Okay, power of flight is also there in most of the insect. Okay, and many they releases pheromones into the environment. So these are the unique features about arthropods. Okay, now about the advancement over Annelida. Annelida से कैसे advanced है? So they have distinct head in all the species of arthropods. Okay, so distinct head ये एक important feature है. Advanced है ये Annelida से. jointed appendages serving as a variety of function, jointed exoskeleton भी है for protection and muscles attachment. Now, striped muscles arranged in the bundle for the movement, for moving particular parts. So, movement is also possible. Why? Because of the striped muscles, which are arranged in bundles. Now, special respiratory organs जैसे कि गिल हो गया, okay, like trachea हो गया, book lungs, book gills, all are present in this arthropods. तो ये advanced है annelidas है, okay. So these are the few things. Now, important classification of arthropods. How can the phylum, the largest phylum of the animal kingdom, be classified? How? So, firstly, it can be divided into 7 classes. Okay, total 7 classes on the basis of appendages. Jointed appendages के basis पे ही classify किया गया है. The first one, the first class is crustacea. Okay, इसमें आते हैं prawns. Okay, Palemon, that is scientific name है Palemon and that is prawn. Then Cynopoda, ठीक है, Cynopoda another class which includes centipedes. Then Diplopoda, that is millipedes, ठीक है, millipedes. Insecta में आ गए silverfish, cockroach, locust, beetles, ये सारे insecta class में. Then Arachnida, it includes scorpion, spider. Next of the another classes, ठीक है, ऑन्कोफोरा, ठीक है, ऑन्कोफोरा जिसमें आता है पेरिपेटस. देन मेरोस्टोमाटा, दैट इज लिमस. ये सारे क्लासेस है, ठीक है. Just it has been categorized on the basis of appendages and one more example has been given. Okay. Now we have came to the end of the phylum Arthropoda. I hope basic जितनी भी चीजें थी, characteristic features and all we have covered up. So I hope you have understood the concept that how the arthropods are different from Annelida. Okay, now in the next lecture we are going to cover up mollusca. Thank you for watching.